How long does an auto accident case take? The answer depends on how severe your injuries are, how long it takes to fully diagnose and treat the same, your recovery, the extent of your medical bills, and whether or not the other side's insurance company chooses to be reasonable. A typical case can take anywhere from about 6 months to 2 years. If you have to file a lawsuit, it will take longer because the court system has a ton of other cases just like yours in front of you and in addition to you. Initially, you must complete your medical care and treatment. The time it takes for you to complete your medical treatment is highly variable. It depends on the nature and the type of your injuries. In a typical neck or back strain case, you will typically need somewhere about 20 to 23 visits for your doctor to have the confidence to certify that your injuries are permanent and to place you at maximum medical improvement. This can take anywhere from 3 to 6 months, depending how frequently you treat and, again, how severe those injuries are. However, you need to realize that if your injuries are more severe, you could require treatment for years, even the rest of your life. Usually, you're also going to get referred out for an MRI. This usually occurs either very early in the case or at the very end of your treatment. You may also be referred to or seen by an orthopedic physician or orthopedic surgeon. Again, these tests and secondary opinions are to confirm your diagnosis and to see if surgical intervention or further treatment is needed and necessary. When your treatment is finalized, we will receive the final reports from the doctors. This allows us to move you into the demand phase of your case, where we attempt to settle your claims without the need for you to file a lawsuit. The demand process takes anywhere from 30 to 90 days to get the insurance company to make their last best offer, short of you filing a lawsuit and being in litigation. At that point, when that last best offer is in, we sit down and we evaluate that offer versus how we feel you're likely to recover in litigation or trial. Litigation usually takes at least 1 additional year, so time is a factor in that equation as well. At my firm, I take very seriously the recommendation to tell someone to file a lawsuit. Most lawyers don't, because here's the trick. Lawyers get more money, 40% fees when they sue. I almost never take a 40% fee in my litigated cases. Simply, I think it's too much. I do, however, strive to resolve all my clients' cases before they have to file a lawsuit. I do so because in the average contested auto accident case, I have seen multiple people lose money by rejecting what they thought was a smaller offer to litigate for simply a few more bucks. That all gets washed out in additional attorney's fees and costs, and that is simply a bad decision. The key to your evaluation should be how much money you net after all your bills are paid and your attorney's fees and costs are paid for. If that number is better than it will ever be in suit, if that's what I'm telling you, then you should take it.